this is why I brought this to this man. Say hi, Pa.
Hello, everyone.
So I went up to the farm to see Mom and Dad. The next project, maybe next project?
Hopefully the next project is that Studebaker you've seen us haul back earlier this fall. So we're looking at putting Hemi in it. So I'll just go over some of the engines that I've got here up from the. So I've got two DeSoto Hemis. They're the 276. This one's a 1953, and this is a 1954. I think probably the only difference between these two engines is the compression ratio. I believe it's 7 on this, and it's 7.5 to 1 on this.
7 to 1 on 7 to 1 on that one, and 7.5 on that one.
That's correct. So.
Okay.
And then this is a 1951 Chrysler 331. Again, it's another Hemi, and it's got the long cast-in
Bell
housing. Right. Thanks, Nick. And this is, I think it's 180 horse on this. These are 165, I think, each of these. So again, big engines, and they look cool, but unless you way cool. Unless you do something with them, they're really not that big a horsepower. In the back, I've got, again, I'm kind of a Mopar guy just by accident, but I've got some flathead 6s here. The flathead 6s, they were first introduced in 1924, and they ran all the way through 1959, so it's a real workhorse for the Mopar company. Dodge and Plymouths had 23-inch blocks, and Chryslers and DeSotos had the 25-inch block. And again, these things range anywhere from maybe 180s to 235s maybe.
Cubic inch wise.
Cubic inches,
yes.
Right,
yeah.
Sorry. So,
no, that's fine.
Yeah, and so that's what we've got. A bunch of those. So,
I thought I read that they used these up till the 70s, even on like generators and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely, for industrial use, and I think even I've heard in South America that they were still using these for automotives. But I think the last time a U.S. car company used those in the United States was 59, I think, on the Dodges. But again, I could be mistaken. So. They've got a little Pinto 4-cylinder from
junkyard,
mid 70s maybe. We were looking at putting in my buddy Matt was thinking about putting that into his Jeep, and so that's got plans for it in the future. Behind us we see a 1935 Plymouth. I've had this car forever. It's the first really old car I bought. And you can see I haven't made much progress. It gets kicked back further and further every time I pick up something different, and it tickles my fancy. I end up kicking it one further down, but at some point I'll get it. It's really pretty clean vehicle.
Yeah, that's a good one. So
steering for a 53 Plymouth.
Oh yeah.
And we got there. I've got a 53 Plymouth convertible that I'm sure you've seen in some of the previous videos. Couple of trannies for those flathead 6s.
Yeah, tucked away.
Yep.
That's cool. Tell me the dash. Yeah.
I got the dash for the 53 Plymouth. The one that's in it now is really roach, so I picked this one up at one of the junkyards that we like to frequent. And then I got, somehow I ended up with a 55 T-Bird hood. I don't know how or why, but I did. So
we'll leave it at that.
Yeah, so we'll play with that a little bit and probably put her up for sale after I get it completely straight and back in the primer.
Cool.
That's it.
Cool. All right. So the goal today is to try to get that one. This is the one you want in the
Studebaker.
Studebaker.
Yeah, 1941 Studebaker. We're trying to get that into, and we want to make not a true gasser out of it, but something that looks like a gasser anyway. Cool. A fake gasser is.
It's a fake gasser.
Something that looks cool, goes a little fast, but just more for looks.
Yeah. No, it'll be cool. All right, let's get it up.
All right.
That's gotta be good.
Okay.
Push it in.
No, you can't push it in. You gotta lift it up.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Lift it up. Lift it up a little more. A little more. Alright, let's work the angle. Yeah. Just rotate the engine again.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fight this thing.
It'll go now, because I got the legs over there.
Oh, okay. And split it this way. You gotta rotate it like that. Like this. And let me go. There you go.
Pliers?
I got them. Just be careful.
Yep.
This is supposed to be a pretty good engine stand, so let's hope for the best. What's it resting on? That's okay. Wow, that keeps it up at a nice angle, doesn't it? Is that good?
I'd say so. Oh, little water coming out of the exhaust. That's actually, no, that's not. You know what that is? It's got ATF in it.
Yeah, it's ATF now, but the first little bit was some water, though.
Alright.
So that's okay.
What's up?
It's up!
Look at that.
Now what? That was the easy part.
Oh yeah, we're in trouble. All right, so it's on the stand. So you think the valves are free?
I'm pretty sure they're good.
You can hear them. Ooh, that one sounds hard.
Yep.
That one's stuck. Ooh, that one bounced back.
Yeah, that one's stuck.
Yeah.
This one come back?
No, this one I think came back. You can see it move. I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but let's try the other side.
Yeah, let's try the other side. So who's our Hemi hero that we watched do this?
Oh, Wayland Wire.
Ooh, that one's dead.
Yeah.
That one didn't sound good.
That sounds all right. See that one's sticking? When you see the arm where it stayed up?
Yep. That one sounds dead.
Yeah. She's a little stuck. So
we have some opportunity.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Ones on top seem to be good.
Well, we did it.
It's up on the stand.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, it's a win.
So you told Nick, now what do we do?
Yeah. Yeah, so. Well, we'll take the intake off eventually, and, you know, obviously we got some valves to free up, and there's a lot of cleaning to do, but we'll get it. So
we used ATF and acetone at 50-50. Put it in all the cylinders, also put it into the crank. Read somewhere online that that is supposed to work as well as any product sold, whether it's WD-40 or any of the other aerosol sprays you can get, that you can't beat acetone and ATF. So we'll see what happens.
We'll get it. It's nice you got the second engine too. Take the distributor, put it in, yada, yada, yada.
Yep.
So,
and if anybody out there has the spark plug caps, both of these DeSotos are missing those.
I've got everything I need for the 331 as far as the trim work, but I am missing the spark plug covers.
Which ones are you looking for? The red Ram?
No, Red Ram is the Dodge. These are the DeSoto's. It'll actually have the DeSoto script right on the cover. I think it's Firepower, DeSoto Firepower, or whatever their name was. But yeah, so if anybody out there knows where I can secure a pair of those, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, please message me. We'll work something out. So, all right, I think it's going to do it. Hey, way to go.
Yeah. All right, it's a good day.
All right. See you.